They say you shouldn't replay your own sleep recordings, but last week my new app claimed my snores spelled out messages in Morse code. Out of curiosity, I slowed the audio and heard a chilling pattern. Help me repeat it over and over, then a string of numbers. I posted the code to a sleep tech forum, asking if anyone could translate the rest, and 3 users answered within the hour. By morning, their accounts were deleted. One left a final message: "Don't listen to the end." Last night, I played the full recording, desperate for answers. Now I understand why they vanished, because ever since, something else is breathing in the dark beside me, waiting for me to sleep again.